analgesic effect in such an operation. Some persons charge that it is unscientific and that it is nothing more than hypnosis by suggestion. Now, a rabbit does not understand man's suggestion. So let's experiment on a rabbit. A focused beam of light produces a great amount of heat, which can even light up a match. Shooting this strong concentrated light at the rabbit's nose, you'll see it smart and jerk away. It takes the rabbit 4 seconds to feel the pain. Now let's needle the rabbit at a number of points corresponding to those on the human body. After the needling, the time required by the rabbit to feel the pain is 14 seconds. This shows that acupuncture has analgesic effects on animals too. It is evident that acupuncture does have such effects and is by no means hypnosis by suggestion of any kind. Sensations are reflections in the human brain caused by the objective world. What is it that conveys to the brain the sensations resulting from needling? Needling causes the patients to have the sensation of soreness, swelling, heaviness, and numbness. Why? The reason is that it causes the contraction of muscle tissues, which brings about potential changes as shown in the electric physiological recording apparatus. This is the electromyographic wave showing the state of the qi. Now let's inject anesthetic drug into the points to block the sensory nerves, and then administer needling. The patient no longer has the sensation of the qi, and no more electromyographic waves on the apparatus either. This experiment shows that the effects of needling are conducted to the brain through the nerves, thus bringing about the desired state of the qi, which produces analgesia. How does the state of the qi produce analgesia? To attack this problem, science researchers have carried out experimental studies on single cells in animal brains with a microelectrode. Now, a small hole is made in the skull of the rabbit, and a glass microelectrode finer than a hair is inserted into a single cell of the sensory center of thalamus. Observe the activity of this cell through the magnification of the electric physiological apparatus. A pain stimulus is given with the forceps, and the electric response caused by the pain stimulus appears on the fluorescent screen. Now the rabbit is being needled. It is given another pain stimulus. The electric response weakens quickly, an indication that the pain sensation is being inhibited. Materialist dialectics holds that external causes are the condition of change, and internal causes are the basis of change, and that external causes become operative through internal causes. Needling is but an external cause, while the internal cause consists in the conflict between pain and resistance to pain inside the organism. The pain stimulus goes to the brain through the nerves. So does the needling stimulus. Suppose no needling is given. The pain-resisting mechanism still exercises a certain amount of inhibition over pain sensation, but it is unable to cope with the intense pain caused by a traumatic stimulus. This shows the electric response of a pain stimulus. The main purpose of acupuncture is to call forth the pain-resisting function of the body via the nerve system so as to weaken the sensation of pain. This shows the electric response of the pain stimulus is weakening. The activity of the nervous system and other systems of the human body are so correlated that they influence one another. Needling, therefore, has its effect on the other systems. The blood vessels of these two rabbits are connected by surgery so as to establish a cross-circulation between them. Now let's first have a pain test on rabbit B using a special apparatus. When the indicator points at 1.6 milliampere, rabbit B feels pain. Next, rabbit A is needled by means of electric induction. Then, another pain test is made on rabbit B, which has not been needled. Rabbit B does not feel the pain until the indicator points at 3.6 milliampere. It shows that its pain-resisting capacity has improved. It ascertains that needling can improve not only the pain-resisting function of the nervous system, but also that of the whole humoral